Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. To build your freight sales business from the get-go, from the ground up, especially if you have no experience or if you've got a little, say you're a truck driver and you've just started in this profession, you require motivation to build your business. So let's talk about motivation. Let's go ahead and open up that first attachment, and I'll go over these attachments one by one. So that first attachment reads, taking the required steps to live your dreams and to do what you desire in life will cost you. Again, taking those steps to live your dreams and do what you require and desire in life will cost you. It's going to cost you something. It's going to cost you time, it's going to cost you effort, it's going to cost you money. You'll have to work hard and make sacrifices to keep learning and growing, and most important, changing. Not only changing your mindset, but changing what you lack into required and desired skills to actually take and apply toward this profession. My question to you is this: are you willing to pay that price? There is definitely a price to be paid here to become successful in this profession. I'll ask you it again. Are you willing to pay that price? Now, know this. And this is so important. Most individuals that come to me, and in general, most will not pay that price. They just won't. That's just how our society and culture works. Most desire success. Most have this yearning to be successful, to do whatever it is that they feel inside. The question is, will you do what's required to be successful? Here's the end point. Most won't. Most will not do what's required to be successful, whatever it is that they're yearning to do. My last question is, will you? Will you do what's required to be successful? Will you take the tools that I'm going to provide to you, some free of charge? Will you get on every conference call Tuesday after Tuesday? Will you do what's required to be successful? That is my main question to you. Here's the thing, only you can answer it. Will you do what's required? Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.